shorts here. Let's see. The 65% still is crazy. I'm expecting a dip at some point here because they still got 1 million shorts available. They've been returning those ETFs, and every time now it seems like they hit 60, that we go right back down. So get ready for it.
Companions have needs like our own. Natural needs and impulses can now be satisfied with creative, modern design. Oh my God. It's the husband buddy for my dog. In a way that is delightful to us all.
The only thing more embarrassing than letting a dog hump your leg is finding sex toy. Well, Pooch, I got good news and bad news. The good news is you get to keep your balls. The bad news is you're gonna hump this thing for my entertainment. Go.
Simple, effective, hygienic.
Dishwasher saying
investment firm or hedge fund that uses high frequency trading,
Oh, told you we passed 5164. We're mooning.
they pay them 0.00012% of a penny per trade as a commissionary basis.
Yeah.
So, I mean, just imagine the billions of trades that go through. I mean, God, man, you know, if they're losing money, they're making money, you know, not like
that's
us.
exactly what happened with Citadel, dude. They got paid for losing money.
Fucking right.
Yeah, it's all.
It's an evil game, man. It's a fucking evil game.
Y'all see Astro and it.
Dude, I told you, we're mooning. When we pass 5164, we are freaking mooning.
They're gonna short us.
Okay, you're right, because right now the dark pool indicator just went tits up.
It's not the dark pool isn't the problem. The dark pool is just another thing. It's what happens in the dark pool. It's what they do with the orders in the dark pool. The dark pool is just like another trade thing, a batch of orders that goes through. The dark pool isn't bad. It's just there's competition in there. What's bad is when they get the payment for order flow, they can control what happens with it. They can either send the buy orders or the sell orders through whatever way they want, and they can sideways trade it or however they want, and they can prolong the stupid time.
We could just use that word manipulate.
Yeah, they manipulate.
Yeah. Yeah. See, like right now, both indicators are straight up, tits up. So we should move up, but not that much, you know.
Yeah, 5164. I said was the price, and then when we passed that, they're like, "Oh, it's breaking past where we tanked it from, so now it's red." Yeah.
Something else I learned over the weekend too is this guy was telling me that all of these algorithms, you know, from these different companies, they're somehow able to read each other and they copy each other, so they don't get put out of the game. So
no,
if
they have like Citadel, it's not just like a one single Chicago like epicenter. They have the same computers that runs multiple computers, and they have the same kind of setup with other hedge funds. They have the same kind of setup. The ones that are like the same firm as them. Virtua uses a different type of system, but Citadel has
dirty,
the same
man.
similar. Yeah.
Don't I have any hacker in the moment that can shut down the dark pools?
There was one guy back in 2010 that blew their back out in one day. He caused a 600-point drop right from his parents' house in his bedroom over in the UK. He made like $70 million. They caught him. They caught him. They convicted him.
He had some program running on his computer, right?
Yeah. He developed his own high-frequency trading machine. And
interesting story about
yeah,
you forgot to turn it off.
We are mooning right now.
Interesting story about that guy is, so he did get arrested and stuff, and he got thrown in jail, and they go, "Where's all the money?" And they tracked it down, and they could. And he did some shady investing, and he lost it all. He never bought a thing, so they literally just said, "Okay, you teach us everything you know, and we won't charge you with anything." And he ended up right back in his mom's room with no money after everything he
asked for a year.
Yeah,
I think his name is Nintendo Sal.
He was facing multiple life charges or
380 years.
Holy Lord, they don't even give that to serial killers, bro.
I know,
don't
right?
Touch the money.
I got a DUI. They wanted to throw the key away.
Because when it comes to money, they control what the outcome is. You trace it all back. It goes all back to the Vatican, guys. It all goes back to the Vatican.
Can I interject for a sec, just to clarify that $25 thing? That was Bob saying about his divorce puts theory, I think it was. And he was saying it has to be above $25 for max pain.
Yeah, and we're way past that.
I think it was $105 as well for GameStop, which I know we're well beyond that. They're never going to go down to that today.
I don't think ever.
That's what I was saying. Who was saying that?
Man, there's no way after last week that we should have this kind of price action. This is complete BS, man.
No way. Like, if you ever seen normal stocks, like how they'll continue for days, and then they'll continue lots. This is just ridiculous. It's like stagnant. Okay, we're gonna go break $3 and then go back to close.
Man, son of a bitch.
If what says is right, what 51.99 in a bracket of ones?
I just woke up. Fuck.
Well, you didn't miss
Bro,
much.
you eating chicken tendies or what, bro?
See.
We're
Man, I
still
don't know.
red. We're still red on the daily.
I don't know what's worse, watching paint dry or this.
Watching page.
Shit.
Shoot, I'd say I'd rather watch golf.
Yeah.
Dude, I'd rather watch caveman rub sticks together.
It's like it's being manipulated. You're watching for something to change. Like it's not changing.
No, it's because it can change in literally any second. That's what pisses me off. I have to watch it every single day for hours, even if it does nothing, because I could miss it if I look away for 5 seconds.
Yeah, what's real bad, like me, I'm sitting here and I am watching it. Like I can see it a minute to 3 minutes before it hits the price action, and it's you know.
So what's it going to?
Right now, the high frequency trader indicator just took a small curl downward. Dark pool indicator took a pretty big right angle downward. I could combine them both over top of each other, and it's got a nice hook pattern straight down. But it can change. It can stream in a second.
He watches live. Are you? Yeah, I think so. Am I in here?
And the speed of it is what tells all. The algorithms, they've slowed them down so much that it's like, for a retail trader, it's looking boring. You're like, oh, fuck this. You'll walk away.
Day traders, they're like sweating their tits off trying to trade.
Yeah, exactly. You would lose your ass if you tried to day trade or swing trade this. You wouldn't even get into it. I wouldn't. I've been doing it for 25 years. I would walk away.
Day traders only make money when it's like on a red day, then it pops off. Ooh, that makes a lot of money.
Can somebody answer an options question for me?
What's that?
Well, I'm pretty familiar with them. So I've only got about 300 shares of AMC. So I sold 3 calls for 56 strike, but I bought in 51 calls, same strike or same strike date. So the way I'm playing it is, if it gets under 56, I could just take the premium for the 51s. But if it passes 56, am I safe to sell at 56, buy back in at 51?
Is that a credit? Are you running a credit spread?
Yeah.
Wait, you said you bought this. You sold the 6
for this week.
You sold the 56, and then you
No. These aren't weeklies. These are for October 8th, I think.
Oh,
yeah, but you still gotta wait for that. The max profit you can make is on that day, so you still kind of gotta wait for that unless it runs.
Yeah. I'd wait for a Wednesday. I would wait what happens Wednesday, because Wednesday we could moon on AMC.
Yeah, I think
I'm not super jumpy to get rid of them. I'm just I'm tight on money, so I'm trying to create that free money to buy more shares. So that's what I'm thinking. Am I better off selling the calls that I bought and then covering the position and keeping the premium, or should I hope for selling at 56, buy back in at 51, and still keep premium?
So you have 51 and 56 calls?
No.
So I sold 3 56 calls, and I bought 3 51 calls.
Okay. So you're saying you want to exercise one of the calls?
Right. So let's say it runs to 60 by the 8th of October, which
it doesn't look like that may not happen. So if that does happen,
What?
No,
am
he's
I
saying
making
like it
sense?
will. He's saying like it will happen, like it's a guaranteed thing to happen.
He's saying
If it were, I mean, I think it's a pretty good.
Yeah, yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
it's about a month.
I get you. I get you.
chance to go into that number by then, so you feel pretty good about it.
Right.
I
So
thought
that's
you
what I'm
said,
saying. Like,
yeah,
as far
yeah.
as, because like I use options calculators and stuff, and I understand like profits and all that. So I'm just wondering, does it cut even if I just exercise and buy the shares back after selling them at 56? Because that's what I'm trying to do.
You already know what the option does. So if, for example, it goes up, because I think the next run is going to be 11x. So if
you have your max profit set out.
If you don't have the buying power, then yeah, you can sell the premium on the next run up and then exercise one of the calls to get 100 shares.
Okay, and then that'll still put me at $51 a piece.
Yeah, so whatever your strike price you bought the option for, that's when you're exercising. You're buying you're buying the 100 shares at that strike price. You have the obligation to buy those. Yeah.
But he's talking about if he has a credit spread. He's talking about a credit spread.
So like, I guess where I'm confusing myself is I'm trying to squeeze out the most profit I can.
No,
I can either
you're trying to make the max that you can make off selling the shares at 56 and then buying them. So you already had your max profit set out. Like it's gonna be like, I want to say like, I don't know. I think it's like it will tell you whatever your strike price is, or whatever your whatever that price, like whatever you bought the option for. So whatever that number is, whatever you bought the option for, minus the in between. So like 51 to 56 is what you'll make times 100. So that I'm pretty sure you'll make like $5,000 minus whatever. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
you should have a plan before you make the trade.
That might be for a debit. No, that's a debit spread. That's a debit spread. My bad. The credit is the other way. So
I was buying these based off the delta, but as far as the theta goes, the theta increases each week, right? I know it goes by daily, but
yeah,
the bigger swings come every week.
I'm just gonna switch over here for a second. Yeah, so people asking about Workhorse, yeah, they do have a high percentage, but like I was saying, you want to make sure that they're actually losing money, because if they're not losing money, there's no reason that they're going to cover their shorts. They're just going to keep adding and adding and adding. So try and find out their position and how long they've had it for, and do their average and see where they're at. And if they're, if the price is way higher than their shorts, then they're more than likely to cover. But if they're not, then they're just going to keep shorting it. Just remember, just because something has a high short interest doesn't mean they necessarily will squeeze.
According to your spread, at what have you calculated at what moment is the best for you to sell? Because I don't do credit spreads, but at what moment
so
would
I guess
be the
in
best
a perfect world, it'd be at about 57. Then I can cash out my 51s and let the 58s ride and not have to exercise.
Right.
But I don't want to be sitting at 57 on October 8th, anyways. So it's a double-edged sword. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Because one is protecting and one is getting you for the rise.
You got so much time on that, especially right now, bro. You're good, dude.
Okay. No, I know I'm good. I just want to make sure that I made the right choice, because I try to research as much as I can, and I just found this Discord like a week and a half ago.
No, you did.
And I haven't really talked too much. So.
Yeah, you're safe on that. It's just
that's a safe play,
you just don't benefit when AMC goes past 60. You said, or what is it?
Yeah, basically, if it goes past 60, I got to make a choice to sell them at 56 and then buy back at 51, or just sell the 51s and buy back the 56s and keep a little bit of premium.
It caps the max profit.
It seems foolproof to me. I mean, it seems like a no-lose bet.
It is a no-lose bet, but the only thing you do lose is if it runs past 60. That's where but you don't really lose anything because you still made money. But my thing is like,
is she moving? Is she finally moving?
This looks like it's gonna be
Astro.
52 is gonna be a breakout.
Let's fucking go,
dude. AMC, like, okay.
All right, thanks, guys.
For specifically AMC, bro, I don't think it's good to buy like your credit spread, because honestly, I've only lost. on credit spread on AMC because the way it trades is so fucking terrible. But
it's the Modern Warfare 2 lobby voice. I love it.
Fucking the calls are better because what I think I'm gonna do, bro, if this shit really moves, like I have a couple calls, I'm gonna fucking ghetto spread them.
Look at the stream.
Hey guys. Hey guys, which one of you guys mentioned the situation going on with China and that bank?
Oh, Lord, holy baloney, you motherfucker!
I'm watching a video.
I swear to God, if you tease me one more goddamn fucking time.
Well, listen, they're going to be tickling your balls all day.
He said, "Well, they're going to be."
The mic like fading out makes it like have like a big ass mohawk.
Hey guys, check this out, man. I'm watching this video right now on Twitter. All these Chinese people are making a run on that Evergrande bank.
Oh, ATR. Oh, this thing already ran.
What the fuck?
They're all trying to withdraw their money.
Short it.
Wow.
Short it.
I'm like, oh, I want my fucking money now, motherfucker.
Post the link of that. Money now.
It's on Twitter.
It's on the internet.
Yeah.
Seriously, how is Bank of America the same freaking graph as AMC?
We're literally this exact same as
There's
June
52.
1st right
Let's
now.
go.
Yeah. Dude, this thing is gonna 11x. I don't know when, but this week
Compare
is
June
for sure.
1st to today.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Dude, if it breaks, it's gonna break that.
Man, you guys gotta see this fucking video. There's a line of Chinese 100 fucking blocks long outside the building. Oh my god.
For what?
What?
Jesus Christ.
China's going under right now. Like huge.
Hey, that's just a preview of us.
Lady. Look at that. Wow. Oh my lord. Ooh.
Did you post a link on one of the Discord?
Oh, yeah. Let me do that real quick.
China.
That's not this is not going to be very, very good.
It could be worse. It's like Nigeria. A lot of people are getting blocked out of their bank accounts right now.
I'm tired of getting calls from them son of a bitches.
Yeah, but dude, China.
Guys, how do you secure your finances from when it comes to holding it banks? You
Silver?
don't put it in.
Yeah.
No. Like
On your mattress.
how do I ask the question properly? Like for example, if you
you're only insured up to 250,000.
No, that's not the question. I'm talking about like AMC squeezes, right? And you have like, let's say 10 million or whatever, right? You have to transfer from your platform into your bank.
Good
Or
luck.
whatever. How the
Where
hell
the fuck
do you
did you
like
get all this money from?
AMC, dude?
I know that's what they're
I
gonna.
gotta
I feel like
put
that's
no
something they'd
card.
ask. Be like, what the hell?
Find a platform that you have a bank that uses
Not every
bank
bank is the same.
No, would it be like better to buy crypto? Obviously, it would be offsetting your securities
wouldn't
into
buy
multiple things, right? Crypto.
I would buy real estate, to be honest, because real estate is something that
cat bill without the kids,
it's all
without the neighbors calling the cops, you know?
My house.
Here, check it out. This is what I've already talked to major accountants and things like that. You pay your taxes, and what you want to do is stay away from the big fucking banks. Stay away from fucking Wells Fargo. Stay away from all your big banks. You want to go find a local bank and spread it out into local. So Astro knows
Local banks like what?
Credit unions,
So
man.
I'm into Quest though. We got
BB&T is a great
Yeah, credit unions are the best.
credit unions, and we got like Seacoast. Seacoast is like a East Coast Florida private
Rumble
bank.
seat.
So what's
yeah.
credit
We're talking
union?
about Suncoast.
How is credit
Nah,
union
Seacoast.
different from Bank of America and other
I was about to
places like
say
that?
Because they all share.
They're not zombie banks.
They're not backed by corporate.
At all.
They're all in the network.
Hey guys, I put that Chinese stuff in the DD and theories.
Thanks.
Under that.
Thanks, brother.
It's like 3 clips. I see they're nice.
It's Evergrande. Where's Kurt?
Yeah,
Man,
they're nice
manipulating
and
so
orderly,
much.
man. If this would happen in the
Where's
United
Kurt?
States,
He needs to see that shit.
What do you mean? It will happen here, man.
Freaking disgusting
Is
red
Kurt in the
candles,
Discord?
dude.
It's fucking disgustingly serious.
They're not running in to withdraw their money. They're protesting. Well, some of them might, but it's a protest.
I'm so tired of seeing like 1 to 3% on a stock that's #1 popular on on all apps. Like the most bullshit.
Right.
And the SEC don't realize it. It's like someone shooting a gun at your friend past you and you just don't notice it. Like, what the fuck? Like, this is a smoking red flag. Like,
How is there not a single person out there in the freaking world that has the idea, hey, I would like to shut the power off on Citadel? Why hasn't this happened in the past decades?
I want to buy puts on Citadel.
Nobody wants to go to jail and miss the squeeze.
Excuse me, there's people doing crazy shit and they go to jail for it. Nobody's gonna do it with Citadel.
I say this a
Come
lot,
on.
but Citadel and they pay a lot of money to politicians.
Dude, I know
Exactly.
people selling pounds just trying to make $1 so they can pay their bills, and Citadel's out here scamming niggas for millions. And nobody cares.
Look how many speeches Citadel.
Go look at who Ken Griffin gives his money to. That's all you gotta do.
All right, have you guys seen the? Oh man, never mind. That's gonna go into politics.
Let
But
me ask a serious
Ah,
question.
you're dirty whore! It's not politics. He gives to both sides. It's not
Does anybody realize how
the
the stock
mainstream
market
media
was built with
stuff,
the
who they
Rothschilds
pay,
and the
who they
rest of them?
support, like it's all in there.
If you do a history lesson, you look at the stock crash of the European market back 100, 200 years ago, and they all bought it up for nickels on the dollar. That's why they're all trillionaires now.
I think you can track it. Ken Griffin by himself under his name gave millions of dollars, even in the 100,000s per month
Astro,
to
is that your
CNBC.
Messiah stash?
hey, did anybody ever do more DD on all that money that Griffin transferred to the Caymans? It was like 2 weeks ago.
Oh no, it's been always happening. It's not just 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
Timothy, you blasphemous little whore! I command thee to obey!
Yes.
What he said.
That is a cock and bull.
Wouldn't the collapse of the Chinese market collapse the US market as well?
Yeah.
I hope to collapse this Chinese market. We don't need it.
I mean, because they have so many bonds and so many debts with China that it's like a domino effect. I know very well that Europe is very deep into Chinese economy and is trading very deep with them.
Doesn't
China's
China
gonna
own $1
bail out
trillion?
Evergrande.
Come on, bitch!
China's not gonna let that thing tank.
Hey, listen,
Oh.
fellas, the divergence between where we were at.
Oh, this looks so good.
The virgins.
This looks so good. I heard virgins. The virgins.
We were at 11:15 this morning, and to where we're at right now is widening, which means things are going to start freeing up. You should start to see the volume pick up, and you should start to see.
Hey!
Oh, they don't like 50
Hey, who's talking? Who's talking? Who's talking?
Huh?
Who's talking?
That was me cocking balls.
Shut the fuck up! Church is in session, bitch! I want to hear hallelujah!
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah! Hallelujah, motherfucker! Come on, I want to hear it!
Rock is a bit. Here we go. Here we go.
I want to hear some hallelujah in the holy discord of baloney of the holy reverend Lord and Lord!
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah! Come on, man! Give it to me!
The Messiah has spoken.
Oh yeah.
Amen, bitch! Hallelujah! Hey!
Nothing means nothing. I wish I could clap, but it's
Oh,
pussy talk.
you got that Home Depot fucking broom in his hand.
Hallelujah. It's about to pop off, guys. It's about to pop off. And
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
It is going. It is going. Oh, it just went tits up. Oh, it's
I
got a
want
chub.
everybody to believe. Come on.
Oh, listen, man, this thing just
Come on.
grew a chubby. It's. Ooh, look out! It is fully erect.
Push. Push.
Oh, the volume spike! Holy shit!
I told you.
Oh my goodness.
Eat that 52. Come on. I swear to God. I swear to God. Hallelujah.
Come on, AMC.
Rare footage of Matt Quarles as a choir boy.
Oh, brother.
Did you see the live stream with him and Trey Collins together?
Quaz.
Bipolar Astro. Have you ever heard of a fucking character, you boring fuck?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is kind of stale.
How many W's are we gonna see today?
Hey, you want to see Matt, Charles Gasparino almost make Matt cry?
I think
Have
we're
you
still
heard
in
Matt Quarles explain what a
Here's
call
footage of
option
Wall
is?
Street getting the fucking asses handed to them. This right here. This right here. Hallelujah!
Go up.
Oh shit.
Go up. Freaking 52, dude. This is bullshit. Wake up, AMC.
This one actually. This shit actually slaps. This dude. Thanks for your money, bitch! Tax free, by the way! This dude actually, respect. This dude's actually fire.
What did they call soul songs? Soul music?
Soul Train.
Soul Train? Yeah, the way they're like, hallelujah.
Hallelujah!
It's gospel.
It's called gospel.
Yeah, gospel.
Yeah. And then they have like the what is it? I'm thinking of accordion, but it's not accordion. Organ, yeah. There we go.
Oh my god. This guy. If Keith was here, he'd smite you.
But it's the 32, the 33, and the 33. It really command the money. The attention of the players.
Oh, great.
Oh, what's on TV, buddy?
This is an extremely desirable product, and usually you see them, they're completely roasted out. You need to they're extremely expensive, but to me, this is the way.
Just got real quiet.
Anticipation, I guess.
No, you give me the fucking repeat, motherfucker!
Oh shit.
Wait, Astro, can you look at on September 10th pre-market? Shit looks like that's what it looks like today. Are they like delaying pre-market for the next day?
Hold on.
September 10th literally looks like today's action. Pre-market. Are they like pushing the day over for the
Did you see
pre-market?
June 1st compared to today?
No, you need to look at September 10th pre-market.
Pick it up
for
and they'll
today.
flip it.
I'm looking at that right now.
Yeah.
It's actually ridiculous.
Let me get my light brain on this one.
That means tomorrow is going to be today's pre-market? Holy moly.
No, it's today's pre-market.
What,
The
today's
pre-market of
pre-market?
today translates to today's movement. At least historically, that's what it's been.
I barely hear you, Ash. You might need to get a little bit louder.
Closer.
Go up.
It's just going to take these little mini bites.
You naughty AMC.
If you take a look at the SPY right now, it's doing the same damn thing. It's little mini bites.
Naughty, naughty.
Bang, bang.
But you know, if you could look on the bright side of this, all of those little mini bites is your bank account going up.
Oh,
Bang,
yeah.
bang.
You know.
Oh, yeah.
Bang, bang.
Kenny G is going to have his nipples inverted after AMC squeezes. Yeah, I told you, 1 minute. Yep.
The price is wrong, bitch.
I love Kit Kat.
This Evergrande shit is looking spicy, y'all. I don't know if everyone saw it too. Michael Burry just tweeted again.
Oh yeah, I see
No
that.
way.
Yeah.
Wait, is that Kurt?
What do you say?
Yeah, it's Kurt.
Check out the Dedean Theories. I tagged you in something.
Yeah, it's all over Twitter. Me and Boss Buns were
Come on,
talking.
AMC.
I just know you've been talking about Evergrande for a long time.
Bro, it's getting bad out there.
It's real bad.
Something's about to happen.
Oh yeah.
I saw a tweet. $1 trillion of unfinished homes, and these are like $1 million apartments.
I've always seen them like that. Where? Which one?
Perfect.
Hey, Patrick Shane. Oh, no, that's not you. Never mind.
Oh,
Who
is
the
this
fuck is
the
playing the
test?
music?
Lord, is that you? Lord, mute yourself, bud. Or you're gonna get muted.
Fucking mute him.
Who the fuck is that?
Hey, yo,
that's
what did
Lord.
the Burry tweet say?
Bang, bang.
Just talks
He said
about,
by AMC.
talks about the housing
that.
swaps and how they saw that they were messed up. And they
Come
couldn't believe
on.
people thought that the housing market wasn't going to crash.
Whatever the mainstream media says, do the opposite.
Yeah, the executives.
What's his Twitter?
Here we go.
Come on, AMC. Oh, this is gonna rip.
Cassandra. Yeah.
Bang, bang.
Twitter's muting him though.
Give it to me.
Bang, bang.
Come on, take off.
I mean, the fact that Benzinga is posting articles again, talking about it, I mean, should tell you something.
It's in Dedean Theories for everyone who doesn't follow him.
Yeah, I'm having trouble finding things.
Yeah, someone was saying that Twitter's already muting him. Shadow
I thought
banning
I
or
followed
whatever.
him, but I guess not. Thank you though.
Of course they are.
No, I followed him before he deleted his account and I had to go refollow him.
Joe, who's he talking about? Joe.
I just want to be there, you know, when AMC literally launches to 400 during the
Oh yeah,
squeeze.
he
I
did
don't want
have
to
to
wake
redo
up
everything.
before.
Same.
Bang, bang.
I want to see live action, baby.
Big boom.
Yeah, I mean, if you're gonna
Bang, bang.
if you're gonna MOAS, if you want to catch everyone off guard, you do it in the morning at like 4
You do
a.m.
it after
I
hours
don't
or
think they're
pre-market.
after 1 day.
Bang,
Take
bang.
it
What
one day.
the hell is that?
Sorry about the music, guys. That
saying
was
bang,
actually,
No worries.
That was actually like
Chief Keef.
my
Once Johnny sins, when I'm just gonna mute him.
Oh, block.
You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah, it don't make sense.
Loud and clear.
Somebody turn off the power at Citadel, please.
Bang bang.
Oh, never
Just a
happened.
fucking dark pool for a day.
We're definitely going to hit 52. This is pushing
dark pools,
pushing
man.
towards 52.
Yeah, where's Keith at?
Oh,
bang bang.
Bro, can you stop?
Oh, hold on 1 second. Oh man. Oh, this son of a bitch just turned green. Oh, where's the top of
Who's saying that?
Yo, where's Keith at?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go on a different Discord quick. Tripping with a couple buddies. What's up, Ward?
Good.
People didn't want to listen to Astro screaming no more.
Oh yeah, yep. I thought about jacking in like his Discord, and because I'm live streaming charts, but it's just chill music. And I went into his Discord and I didn't realize my audio from my stream was jacking into your Discord, so it's just playing chill music and stuff, and I didn't know.
Yeah, everyone was like, "What's going on, dude?" That was funny. Oh, let's see if I can get boss up in this.
Oh, come to find out, he actually, with the music he plays, he just makes his video demonetized and just plays it on his streams. He doesn't care.
Oh, is that what he's doing? Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
and then you just get super chats instead.
Yeah.
Of...
Yep.
Gotcha.
Yep.
Just looking at the flow, it's just a lot of small ass fucking. There's not much on AMC today.
Yeah, the whole market's slow today. You'll have to tell me what you think of the chart setup I have going on for stream. Whenever. You don't even have to do it anytime. I'm just saying that to say it.
No, you can send it over. We had there's just one big buy today on AMC calls, but it was a $36 strike, $1 million, so obviously it's probably hedging. That fucking deep in the money.
Yeah, they upgraded my internet, so.
That's a sub, let's
Just
go. Yeah, I don't know, man. They have a lot of shorts. Astro thinks they're going to go flying up over 52 today. I just don't think so. I think they're just going to kind of keep us right around this area. Every time we get around 52, they're just going to keep shortening it down a little bit.
Yeah, I'm looking at, so if take a look at my chart, or you can't probably see my stream, but yeah, we're right. The way I see it is we are technically oversold currently. We'll have to either consolidate in this current channel.
That's what I think we'll do.
Yeah, we're gonna have to consolidate from like 48 to 50 for a while. Like.
Yeah, I agree. I don't think we're gonna pop off right now, especially not today. They have dude, they have shit. They have over 1 million shorts. They have like 60,000 ETFs. Like, they can hit us pretty hard if they want to. How does this cycle algorithm increase?
But we need, the way I see it is we need some sort of, we always get some sort of volatility, like within like 10 to 12%. And the question is like, where's this volatility going to come in? Is it going to come in the upside or the downside? I feel it's going to come in the downside. Like we're going to do this like little drift up to make people think that we're going to rip up soon, and then we're going to crash hard, and then, on a 8 to 12% dip, and then we're going to slowly trickle back up to consolidate within that time frame. So within the $48 to $51 range.
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I see. They haven't even fucking used those. Otherwise, they're gonna do what they always do, like they do every week. Same shit. Let it run up Monday. Let everyone open up their options quick, then short the fuck out of us Tuesday.
So on my list, Chargepoint's leading for the day at about roughly around a 3.8% increase.
Chargepoint, let's go.
So I honestly, I actually got my recommendation from Chargepoint from I think it was originally Keen and Grace, and then Zip Trader talked about it for a little bit, and I did some research and everything. And ChargePoint's actually a pretty decent play because they create charging stations. So like currently, like you have like Tesla, they put up their charging stations, but it's kind of it's just Tesla. So then ChargePoint comes in, and they are the contender to potentially put up charging stations nationally, you know, like all across the U.S. And that's a big contract if they get it, or if that's what's going to end up happening. And
dude, I'm gonna get a damn UPS.
It's a long play though.
UPST's got a lot of flow. Too big though. No, maybe not. It's just a lot of fucking small, really small. Well, let's check out the dark flow, you know. Maybe we're gonna... ETS. Dude, I don't see anything today that's got a whole bunch of anything going through it. It's just, like you said, everything's just kind of fucking meh.
Well, GSAT's taking a huge hit today.
Isn't VI? What is VIAC? It's getting a shit ton of buys, and they're all bullish.
Is that like Viacom?
Viac.
I could be wrong. I could be wrong.
I think I'm
what is it?
VIAC.
VIAC.
I might buy some right now. Quick, do a little.
Viacom's.
Flow's coming in strong. VIAC.
Dude, they've been consolidating between like 39 and 42 for. Gosh. 3 months now, roughly.
Look at all those fucking, look at all these calls, dude. You got 4 million, 1 million, 6 million, 20, hold on, 20.
Yeah,
well,
there's gotta be some, well, here's what the news says. So there's a newsprint today, is resurrecting the management of Paramount's subsidiary, according to Wall Street Journal report, citing unnamed people familiar with the matter. So there's, okay, what happened in the new lineup? Brian Robbins, president of Nickelodeon, is to become president and CEO of Paramount Pictures. He will replace Jim, who is leaving the company. Blah, blah. So there's just like a lot of movement and a lot of potential upside. And so what the flow is telling you is there's going to be probably some positive movement. Like, but they're all well, it's actually probably uncertain, right? You said they're all like,
they're all way
deep in the money.
Monies, yeah, a shit ton deep in the
yeah.
money.
So they expect movement. They just don't know where.
Yeah.
Like, so if it's deep in the money, even if it dipped down violently, you can still play on the IV and cash out, right? You can still make some money potentially, or could it move up a little bit? It's uncertain, but they know it's bullish. Like they plan on it going up.
Yeah, I just don't even want to play it. I don't think they're gonna go up that much. If it's that, I mean, they're way deep in the money.
Well, I mean, even the current calls are pretty frosty on it, because if you're looking at if you're looking at $40.50, it's a $50 contract on the ask, and there's only a $3 difference, so it's tightening up there. But wow, even the 41's pretty juicy. It's at 32. That's it. It looks like everybody's piling in on that. Roughly
Which one are you
around
talking about, Viacom?
$42 color strike. Yep, Viacom. It looks like they're, and this is the weeklies. It looks like they're piling in on the 42s. I'm kind of curious to let me see what the options. Sentiment for like every month, every option offered is around $40, but the sentiment further out, we're looking at like 67. Yeah, this is looking juicy, dude.
I mean, the flow is ridiculous for it right now.
Oh, Dude, its call sizzle index is 12, almost 13, versus its put sizzle index of 2.1.
You're still talking Viacom,
This thing
right?
is gonna. Yeah, Viacom.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking get a little.
The one that's been consolidating for like 3 months at the same range.
Yeah.
And its high was
Thank you,
at
baby.
47. It's gonna channel out. It's probably gonna go to like 44, but I don't know when. What's the dates on those? What do they have for expiration dates on them?
I gotta pull back up. What was that ticker again?
Victor, Indigo, Alpha, Charlie.
They are 121s. Yeah, a lot of 121s. Oh wait, hold on. Sorry. 01, 21, 2022. Sorry, baby. What?
Yeah, 2022s. Okay, so they're uncertain. They just know the company is going to make some changes in the next 6 months or so. But I really think there's going to be some movement today.
Yeah, I was thinking about getting something on them. I mean, look at all that, dude. There's millions. I mean, one of them's a $12 million.
Or are you looking to do YOLO or something a little more reasonable?
No, let's do reasonable. Just make a little cash. Throw it back into AMC.
Yeah, if you do reasonable, I would actually probably. The reason why they're probably playing those strikes, other than the ones that are deep in the money, is probably because they're good deals.
I think I'm gonna do $39 call for 21. Oh, my dog's fucking going nuts. What's up, buddy? What are you barking at? Hey. He goes, "Are we gonna play? What's going on?"
So for January.
Yeah, January 1st. I think I'm gonna get a 39. Fuck it. I'm gonna go to. These guys are lower. I'm gonna go even lower. Do a $38 call.
Hold on, let me see. 92. Open interest. A lot of people are piling in on a 30.
30.
But I don't think it's worth it cost wise.
No, that's 1,000.
Yeah, I would.
This ammo is getting a fuck ton of them too, man.
The 35.
Ultras
the 35
group.
wouldn't be. Oh, but the 35 is $680 per contract. But you're not looking at how much you. How much you looking to spend? Not $600, right? I mean, it's always safer because like it sounds scary, like when you spend 600 and stuff. But oftentimes, I mean, you're not gonna lose that 600. You're more often gonna make the 600 if you're.
I'm doing 35s. $35 ones.
Yeah. Oh, $35 ones. Okay. At what expiration date?
I'm gonna do the first two, just like all them.
Oh, okay. What strike is $35 then?
It was 600 something.
Oh, you're talking about, okay, so you're talking about the $35 strike at $600. Okay. Yeah.
The other one we gotta look at is MO. What's that sizzle index? The MO's going. Riddick, come on, buddy. Hey, quit barking. No bark. No bark, baby. You're okay. No barking.
Let me see what Viacom's doing just at a more of a microscopic level.
Yeah, AMC's just chilling like we were thinking. 51.82. I think we're gonna consolidate right here all day long, man.
Right now they're trying to drift out of the area of like the area control on Viacom. So like this is like the point of like to see if it can break this, then it can break out type thing, you know?
Yeah.
And it's gonna be happening soon. Like if it can break past like $40.50, it's gonna probably rip up. It's probably gonna rip up to $40, $44, $45 is what I'm assuming it's gonna go to. I have no moolah.
A lot of dark flow going to Amazon.
Trade. 44.
I can't remember the fucking name. It's like actually or something. Actually. Can't remember that fucking company that they did all the data transfers with. I think it's actually.
Check out.
Exit Jam. Did you check out MO at all? By the way.
Hey, check out what?
MO for the stock.
No, I didn't. No.
That one's fucking.
No, sorry.
They're buying the shit out of that, and that. Oh, that's got a big ass float, dude. I don't even fuck with that. That's got almost 2 billion. That's a big ass float. Holy fuck. I think they're just. This shit's gonna keep dropping. Yes, baby.
I picked up a $4 YOLO on Viacom for this week.
Did you? Let's go. What strike price did you put it at?
47. If the way I see it is I want it to this is probably a volatility play, right? So I wanted to do a violent strike up to like 45, 46, and I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna dump it. And to be honest with you, I'll probably only make a couple bucks, but you know, whatever.
Money's money, man. All right, my side's on that.
And you said check MO.
MO, yeah.
Mike Oscar.
Yeah, that thing's got that flow is fucking ridiculous right now.
Dude, the options chain, like you're looking at people betting on 65, 70 within like the next couple of weeks, like to a month.
That's what I'm saying. You should see
the call sizzle on that one's 15, like, and the
Jesus.
put call ratio is pretty, like there's not enough puts on it, and they're just piling in. What is MO?
It's like
Altria Group.
It's like an Atlas Group or some fucking thing.
Yeah. Oh geez, they're expensive though. So they have probably high. What's their IV? Their IV's 26. But their $52 contract at $88, dude. That's ridiculous. For their that's a December. Never mind. Okay, that's why. If you were looking at weekly, yeah, it's cheap. $9 for $50, and then 20 some odd dollars for in the money at 50. Where did it move from? Okay, on the daily, it's down on the day.
Yeah, it's been going down.
Yeah,
but
it's going to another. It actually should be comfortable. It should be comfortable in this area that it's currently in, right? It's a previous area, and it's probably going to consolidate for a little bit. And if it breaks out, it's going to be on its way up. And when I say on its way up, it should return back to at least $50.23, right?
SOS.
It's got really good strength there. So if you were to get a strike, I would get it at like $50 or less.
Think anything's going on with SOS. Check it out more, but. SOS has a lot of bearish flow. What the hell SOS even is, man?
I picked up a $2 YOLO on MO as well. He's like, I'm just getting rid of some change I had. It's like, whatever. If I make a couple bucks, I make a couple bucks, right?
Yeah.
Now I got to start tracking these. I got to put some alerts on them.
I mean, when you're looking at SOS, I don't know. Are you trying to look for a squeeze play? Because I don't really see a squeeze play there. AMC just busted 52. Let's go. We're at 52.21. Nice little green candle there. Let's go. MMAT.
Dude, GME's getting a lot of volume.
GME is?
Yeah, quite a bit of volume.
I mean, MMAT's volume, I mean, it's bullish, but it's super small. So, I mean, I don't think it's going to pop up anything.
Relatively dead for volume today.
Is it?
Yeah, AMC's like they're like super dead today. Oh, not necessarily. AMC's at 47 million in volume today, and GME's at 1 million, almost 2.
Usually I check when Astro screens.
The highest volume on my chart on my list is SQQQ right now.
SQQQ.
Yeah, no, which makes sense. Means people are pretty bearish on the market. And GSAT for the past few days has just had astronomical amount of volume and going down. Like it's very unique. Like I feel like GSAT's priming for a rip up somewhere.
Yeah,
because they're consolidating they're consolidating hard. Well, that's the thing is GSAT's consolidating hard at its new levels, and so we're gonna see a move once it's done.
Yeah, it's gonna be right after our options are done. Watch. Fucking spy, man. You need this shit to crash. What? Puppy, what's wrong? What? URA? What's your opinion on your...
That's uranium play. If I'm correct, right? That's uranium.
Yeah, somebody says it's gonna rocket uranium. What?
I mean, like yes and no. Like, it technically kind of already has done like a pretty violent move.
Yeah. I'll go turn the AC on quick. Hold on. Yeah, I haven't even looked at uranium at all. Honestly, I don't know.
I think uranium has to consolidate at this current level. Well, if it's gonna move up, it's gonna move up to like 28. But when I say consolidate this level, I mean like 27 to 28. But I could be wrong.
Alright, at least put the fuck in. 5205. I don't think we're gonna be going up much higher today, my friend. Grab my dog quick. Here, treat. We're still at fucking 65% dark pool, man. I really wish people would just order the lit exchanges, dude. This is crazy. Cost. That was nothing. Hmm. Cost. I mean, days to cover on cost is extremely low. Looks like the short percentage was super high and it's slowly gone down. So I mean, if you're talking about a short squeeze, I don't really see much there as of currently this moment. Just because, like I was saying before, that like that guy said, just because it has 10, 11, 12, 13% short interest doesn't mean that they need to cover it necessarily. It's all about if it's costing them money. It doesn't really look like cost is going to be costing them anything, so they can definitely afford to hold.
Depends on the size of the float too. If you have a really large float, then that means there's a lot of them out there. If you have a really small float, it's not hard to get to that point.
Yeah, I mean the float. How the fuck? No. KPLT.
I'm gonna step away for probably like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Be back.
Alright. All days to cover on AMC when it hits 1.0 like this is usually when it starts spiking pretty good. Short interest obviously gets gone up. I mean KPLT, if they keep on shorting and keep buying, I mean there's potential there. Definitely. But like I said, it's all about if people keep buying. I mean if they don't get enough pressure to cover, they're still not going to cover. I mean, even a short interest on some of these stocks you see are at like 35, 36%, but they're not covering. It's because there's just no reason to. It's quiet day today. Doesn't seem like it is. back when games started.
Dude, my OBS is like, so I put my stream up. It's not. It's going to like my old channel. It's not even like my old channel. Like when I changed like some things around, it like gave me a new hyperlink and everything. It's sending it to that. I'm gonna have to cancel my stream and move it over. I will in a bit.
5217. Yeah, ATR. I was gonna do that a couple weeks ago and I didn't get in on it. I wish I would've. That was a good play. They still haven't even used any of those shorts. It's kind of weird. Thank you, Monty. Appreciate that. $65% through dark pools today. Jesus Christ, dude. The average 20-day average for AMC's dark pool, everybody, is 64%. 64% over the last 20 days. Dude, holy shit. Large block trades are at 15%. That's the largest I've ever seen. Institutions are buying, they're either buying it, I don't look if they're buying or selling on level 2 here. God damn it, hold on. Sorry guys, I gotta go grab my dog. He's barking at someone outside, going crazy. Give me 1 second. Put the chart back up. We're at 52.29. Just in case you aren't able to look. 1 second, guys. sorry about that, guys. We're at 52.39, getting a little rippy. Let's go. All right. Bluffing in there. See what Michael Berry's talking about. Games down. Let's check AMC back out. Check out that flow. See if we got any more big calls. Oh, we just got the one still big call today. So don't see much going there. They're still, they're actually returning ETFs, so they just broke over 60,000 again on those. And last couple times we've seen that, we actually dropped pretty hard. So if we drop down the next couple of minutes, I bet they're going to attack those ETFs real quick here. So, like I said, they're either going to let us run up today and then attack us hard tomorrow, so people open up those options today, or they're going to attack us here right at the end of the market here. They could be saving all those for power hour too, just to kind of slow that way down. But they're definitely going to be using those. There's no way they're going to let those million shares just sit there like that. Okay, the repo is about to drop. Let's go. I mean, we're still holding pretty good, 52.31. I know, Alan, me either, man. Rich fuckers have been getting away with this shit for way too long, dude. Like we said, they have over 650 trillion in over-the-counter derivatives. I mean, that's fucking insane, dude. Oh, might be moving up a little bit again in a second. 52.40. 41. $52.50. Let's go. And here comes some shorts. Holding it back down. Probably using those ETFs they used a minute ago. Anyone else have any other stocks?
I'm here. I'm just trying to get my Streamlab stuff.
All right, good man. I'm just surprised we're not seeing many more big whales buying in on AMC. Like, it's just weird, dude. Check out that live. Dude, that MO, that live flow. Dude, the fucking taking calls out on it like crazy, dude.
On MO?
Yeah. That Atlas I was telling you about earlier. Dude, dude, they're fucking crushing this thing. Another million, 4 million, million, 4 million, million, 4 million came in. Dude, I'm buying that shit. I don't even care. Option on that shit. Black pages rip. Blackberry. Yeah, it did.
Dude, I might have to set up my Streamlab stuff all over again. That's hilarious. That would suck. But it's alright.
Yeah. He just took it and ran away from me, so I think he wants to stay out there. 52.33. Comes some red. We're gonna go right back down to watch 20. Go right back down to 52.18 ish. 52.16, like I was saying. Is it?
Are you getting on the beach?
Yeah, a little bit. SDC, Smile Direct Club. Damn. Smile Direct Club dude's 33% short of the flow. Takes him. Not expensive for him though. See, this is one of those stocks, man, that I think that the short interest is super high, but it's not very costly for them, so they're not going to need to cover anytime soon, like I was saying. So they could hold on to this for quite a while still. If it's only 171 million, that's not that much. Their days to cover is 5. I mean, yeah, they really have absolutely no reason to start to cover on Smile Direct Club. Rip right back up, 52.39. Like I said, I feel like we're going to consolidate within this 52, 53 range. Maybe back into the 51-ish.
I think 49 to 51.
You think we'll go down to 49?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, the only way I see that happen is if they rip up all those, use up all those shorts they got, and then those ETFs. I don't
That's
know.
why I feel like we're going to be set up like it's going to look like we're going to do a rippy, and then and then we're just going to do a crash down. We're gonna dip down, back to probably 45-ish, maybe lower, and then kind of work our way to the 49.51 and consolidate around there.
Today?
No, this week.
No, I'm just talking about today, man.
So I mean, just it's hard to guess on today. Like I said, we can potentially look like we're gonna get ready to rip up, and then we could potentially rip down today.
Yeah.
But I would foresee us ripping down tomorrow, because
that's what I said.
You want to set that up for a little bit longer than that. You want to get us to probably
get options.
I don't know. Yeah, 52, 53. Where are we currently trading at? I can't really see the screen.
It was 52.30. I'm trying to get my
so
quick.
They will get to probably 53, 54. Make a little mini violent move up to make it look like we're gonna do something, and then we're gonna just go down.
And then the shorts come.
That's if they can afford it, though, because there's a lot of options. I still have to do my Max Payne kind of graph to see where we're at. I haven't done that. I'm gonna do that probably at the end of the day today.
Word. Yeah, it was in the garden. He must have kicked it or something. You know.
Traditional washing and drying ruins this bra, leaving it lumpy and creased. But the Bra Baby bra looks as good as new.
Why is the bra so more delicate than my underwear?
15.
I throw dryer and wash it. Still fits, still holds my package.
Bra Baby is as simple to use as 1, 2, 3. Simply hook the straps together.
Man, dude, 64.7% still. I mean, even small contracts today aren't even very bullish for us on AMC. It's like 50-50. So I don't see the options chain helping us out too much today. God damn it, where's my dog barking? Hey! Settle down. You don't have to bark. Calm down. Relax. No. Sorry about that. Dog was going nuts. And we going back down. We're at 52.18. They still haven't used any of these shorts. We got Michael Burry just tweeting left and right. Something's going to go down, dude.
What's he tweeting, by the way? I told him to take a look at our DD.
He was talking about GameStop. He said back when GameStop was an interesting and rational long, and it showed back from like November 19th and those December 19th and all that.
When he said what?
Back when GameStop was an interesting and rational long, and he showed it when it already squeezed.
So he's saying GameStop's not an interesting and rational long?
That's what I was taking it as, is GameStop's over, man. Like, back when I would have went on GameStop, boom.
But, it could be taken this way as well, as in, like, you know, that's when it was a rational long, and now it's even more of a rational long, right? And that's what happened before, and this is, like, so now take where it was before, where the company was before. If you take it literal, like, you know, this is back when it was a rational long. And if you take a look at the books and everything now, it's a better state than it was before. And so taking that into context, and if he showed the squeeze portion of it, then he's saying that it's going to scale with that amount. That's how I take it as a logical smart person. Like, if somebody were to Michael Burry think this, that's how I see it. I don't see it as a negative thing.
I don't know, man. He usually puts his shit up pretty direct. I guess, like you said, you can take it any way you want, but...
Can't you take a look at his, he's very transparent on what he holds. You can take a look at his filings.
Yeah, I don't think he has. Well, I could check. I don't think he has GameStop, though.
And well, thinking and knowing are two different things there.
Yes, it's true.
You're here to entertain. Entertain us!
Find out Burry's fucking holdings now.
If you want, I could just call him, and we could just settle this right now.
Do it. We're at 52.16. In case anyone's wondering, I can't look at the charts. The reverse repo is over $1 trillion again. Sounds about right. Wonder if Hunter's up yet. Let's see if he wants to come be friends.
COPD. Because I smoked. As my COPD gets worse,
So website and go to work. See other tickets.
so I have to pace myself. My tip is, if you're having people over for Thanksgiving, start cooking in October.
You can quit. For free help, call 1-800-QUIT now.
It takes a real estate expert to find a space big enough to hold your vision.
Wait a second. What's she asking me?
Work with purpose and change neighbors' lives one box at a time. And it all begins here with you and a realtor guided by a code of ethics.
So I think this is going to be perfect.
And the doors you open together. You don't drive like other people, so why should you pay what they pay for car insurance? With Karma Drive, your good driving could get you a big discount from a trusted insurance provider. Credit Karma. Download the app today. At Casper, we're delivering better sleep to homes everywhere with the bed awarded Best Overall Mattress by US News.
Alright, let's check out that live flow. Let's see what we got going on here.
In-store or at Casper.com.
What's ASO? ASO is getting fucking hammered, dude. We might need to get some ASO puts. And fucking.
She's your precious darling. She's your smiling sweetheart.
Now they're all selling calls like, what the fuck? Dude, ASO's. This is crazy.
That's right. It takes time for baby girls to develop those long, luxurious locks. That's why you need Baby Bangs. Baby Bangs is the hairpiece accessory that gives baby girls a beautifully realistic hairstyle in a snap.
What the hell is
There's nothing more disgusting than a bald little baby head. Ugh.
Baby Bangs for the deep, feeling parent who's patient and tolerant of their child's natural development. The elastic hairband fits gently and snugly around her developing little head.
Then you can duct tape the baby to your passenger seat and use the carpool length. A little goatee helps too. It could be Baby Bangs.
20%.
Be an Italian bride garter. Make pretty cool wristband
It's a float.
Baby Bangs are perfect for keepsake photographs or anytime your baby wants to greet her adoring public.
Dude, we might need to check out this ASO, bro. 12, so that's 20. So that's, dude. How you doing, Dan?
What is it first? Like you should know what they.
It's being shorted like fucking mad, dude. And the options, like they're just burying, like bearish as fuck. They're just, dude, they're just like shorting the hell out of this thing. It is Academy Sports and Outdoor Inc. What the fuck is it? Company wise.
Take a look for news.
Yeah, I just did. It just said it was down. I don't see any news for it. I don't get why everybody. The squeeze is on. There's a fucking 3 days article talking about squeezing on it. If you're looking for a short squeeze, take advice on the Academy Sports Outdoor. Might be a good target. Competitors from so it's like the company sells shoes, apparel, equipment for team sports, as well as equipment for outdoor recreation like fishing, shooting sports, all of which are high demand. Competitors from shoe stores to pure. Got your toy, buddy? Hold on. Dude, I'll check this shit up. Hey, go squeak somewhere else for a little bit, bud. We'll play it in a minute.
Well, I guess my husband and I will have to figure out another way to bond. Here you go. Have fun.
If you can't reach your next check or your bag,
Dude, I'm checking this ASO options out for sure, dude. The float.
Give me a moment.
The float's 70 million. There's like 20 million shorted. And remember that article that guy was saying, don't look at the percentage, look at the actual numbers. And I'm trying to see. Hold on, let me check out their fucking. Let me check out the charts. Dude, how much it's costing them. So on June 30th. Let's check out that stock on June 30th. The last time the interest got this high, I'm just curious if on June 30th it ran up. Because if it ran up on June 30th, what the fuck is my trade view? If it ran up last time on June 30th when it got to this point, then we might want to grab it because. Oh damn, AMC's at 52.55. Let's go. Yeah, so. What the fuck did you do? Oh. Alright. Fucking yeah. So this stock was like before, dude. I'm getting this shit before it hit that short interest before it was on the 30th, and that's when it basically was on its peak. And that short interest is starting to get there, so I want to get it now. I'm grabbing it, bro. I'm getting it. So.
Nice. Sorry, I just needed to.
No, that's it.
Like my OBS stuff, dude. I had to delete clear my cache on OBS. Is the best way to put it. Speaking of which, I'm kind of curious because you switch stuff. Let me see if your stream is even showing to your proper link. Just out of curiosity. So showing to your proper link.
AMC's at 52.62. For anyone that can't check out their computer at all.
At 52.62.
Still moving up, a little green. I can't believe they're not even touching those fucking shorts. Like, this is weird, dude. And then they're just returning ETFs again. I mean, this is what they did last week. And then we just got hammered the day after. So I guarantee they're going to hit hard tomorrow. They're going to let everyone open. 52.74, 75, 77. Ooh, nice little rippy candle. Let's go. See, like right here is when I would have played that Tyrita without the money. See, we need to get that drawn up, buddy. That's what we're looking at here.
What do you have for your settings on unusual whales for your filters?
I think I have them like if they're 1 million or higher. I can't remember all my shit, dude. I have to look at it. Dude, I wonder actually. See what the congressmen are up to, you know?
Mo's taking a dump, dude.
What is MO is? Dude, that's what I'm telling you.
MO,
That
yeah.
that entire options was all bearish on it. It was nothing but bearish on it. So that's what I'm saying. We should have got puts on it, dude. We would have railed. I guarantee we would have been making cash right now.
No, the call sizzle index is high on that one. It's actually very bullish.
MO?
Yeah. MO, Mike Oscar.
I'm seeing bearish as fuck, dude. On
Dude,
whales.
I'm saying bullish. Like, yeah, maybe in your current flow. What are the strike prices, dude? Like, I'm not the strike prices, but what's the expiration on those?
Just switch it. 1 second.
I mean, you have to really examine the flow.
50s around. A lot of 50. They're buying them
Seeing
at.
a lot
They're
of 50s.
buying them at 50s.
Yeah, so you're seeing them at 50s, right? And then what's the expiration though? Like how far out?
11/19. A lot of weeklies.
So November. So I mean, there's some time on it, and they're at 50. And are they selling calls or are they buying puts at 50?
Buying calls.
They're buying calls at 50, so they're saying the price is going to be above 50 in November, a ton of it, right?
Yeah.
But and you got to realize when they're buying these. So if I pull up November here, and the 50s on it, it's deltas at 0.48. So by inherently buying this contract at that price, they're getting like a 50% deal in a sense. Potentially they could. So if you were to buy 100 shares of this, it would cost you what, $5,000 roughly? Yeah, $5,000 I think. And so if you buy this contract at currently going for 138, and if you exercised it at the 50, let's see here. I'm just trying to think if they were trying to do it to basically if they get a good deal on shares, but I don't even see that. But I'm showing for this November strike. The open interest on it isn't really that high.
The fuck?
Let me see. Remember, I don't know shit about stocks. Oh, actually, so a really hot date is December. There's a lot of open interest on the $50 strike for December.
Well, you can see why we just dipped down there. Look at all these fucking things. Jesus.
And then
bearish the whole
and then January they got it all the way to like down to 30. It's a very confusing. It's like it's basically playing on volatility.
I got my ASOs. I'm jacked. Direct club,
yeah, that would be that'd be a tough play. Couldn't tell you.
ASO?
I mean, it looks. No, MO.
Oh, MO. Yeah, I'm not trusting that one.
Pretty crazy. It's everywhere.
But ASO looks real juicy, my friend.
I'll pull up ASO.
Real juicy.
There's really not very much volume going through. I don't know where you see it. May be juicy for today, but I'm not even seeing that. But let me, maybe you're talking about the differences.
I'm talking about. I'm just watching.
Oh, you're talking about on the downside. You're talking about the downside. Okay.
Yeah.
So there was $44 puts, 60 of them bought today. That's the highest in the puts, and then there was like 1,500. There's $1,555 calls for October. So I can hear your stream that you have up. Why don't you just mute your stream?
Me? What do you mean I have my stream up?
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I'm hearing an echo of myself, like a delayed echo, oddly enough.
I don't have my stream up or anything. Shouldn't.
You don't have any audio or anything going for it?
No. I didn't change anything. Do you just now hear yourself echo? I think it's you, man.
There might be I think that I think there's like audio leaking through OBS onto my stream somehow. Weird. Which is fine. I just need to nip it in the butt.
Yeah, it's like I don't know. Yeah, it sounded like a TV. Yeah, I didn't hear it. They still have all 1,000,000 of those. Like, how weird is that, dude? I mean, I think the AMC's volume is looking pretty good, man. It's looking pretty constant throughout the day, at least. Other than obviously lunchtime, but you made up for that with next hour. If we just get the fuck out the dark pool, you'd be feeling good. Oh, Lauer's tweeting. What are we saying? Hey, look at what Dave Lauer just said. I'm retweeting the shit out of that. I say this.
What'd he say?
He says, you know where there's a lot of competition on lit markets where everyone can compete openly. Imagine that. Crazy. I say this every day. God damn it, I don't remember what. I'm saving all my screenshots. Dude, I have too much stuff on my computer.
Okay, maybe this fixed the issue, hopefully. Hopefully I don't hear an echo now. Testing.
Oh, Lord. Like, what a legend. He comes out with the most perfect time. What, babe?
What's he doing?
He's trying to get under the bed. What you looking for? What you got?
What is it?
I think Dave Lauer's mad at me or something because he has I've messaged him a few times and he hasn't messaged me in a while.
People are saying 53. Oh no, it's just the plate. Probably food on it. All right. Couple calls on AMC. What do you see?
What is it, beer? Oh, he wants his phone. here. I'm gonna grab it. Daddy, do you want to help me out here? I grab it.
Alright.
Good boy. That's mine. Get up here.
Damn, dude.
That's my
Look at that little fucking drizzop. They're trying to finally using those fucking shorts or what?
Yeah, I think I fixed my audio issue, so that's good.
Let's go.
And
Yeah, they just hit us real hard there. Just dropped like 50 cents.
There it is. That's mine.
You know, when I was a teenager, I loved my chocolate milkshakes. Now, for years, my shakes have been Atkins shakes. They're ridiculously good, and when you're living Atkins, they help burn fat. But you might like that part. Available at Walmart for a low price.
I think maybe that ASL might have just been a little Bolski trapped, and I ain't gonna fuck with that. They have too many articles by people I don't trust on how it's a short squeeze play, so fuck that, dude.
At Spectrum, we think if they shouldn't be in your house, they shouldn't be on your Wi-Fi. This is fun. So Spectrum Advanced Home Wi-Fi lets you decide who connects and who doesn't, so your network's always secure.
I'm not too sure. I don't have Vortex.
Yes, you can choose the Texas taste you love, like classic or Tiffany's, and any of your favorite fixings. The Church's Speed 6 starting at $20 deals are putting the youth in value. Church's, bringing that down home.
Hey, it's me, your dry skin. I'm creating
2220.
It helps form a natural barrier so I can lock in moisture. You've got to have
Right, 5224 if you can. Check out your map here. Or chart, sorry. Alright guys, I gotta go make lunch though. Thanks for you guys for coming. I'll be back on tomorrow, but I'll get a little more music or something going so it's not so boring. But I'll see if I can get a couple more people in here. But thanks Wyatt for jumping on here with me. Thanks guys. Have a good night.
Yeah, I'll probably see you in a bit, man. Later.
Sounds good, me.